I thought we would do a series of making rice because, as simple as it sounds, actually rice is challenging for a lot of people to make. I learned to make rice with my mom and I taught my daughter to make rice. But tonight we are going to make rice with vegetables. So here are the ingredients. I'm making rice with, well, white rice, onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and different color potatoes. Usually I make rice with whatever vegetables I have. I didn't grow up having rice made in a rice cooker. My mom always made rice in a pan. And tonight I'm going to show you guys how to make that. So first go the onions, because you want to saute those and you want to get flavor from your onions. I also make sure that my light isn't too high. You don't want to start burning your vegetables. You just want to get a nice color to them. Next, saute the bell peppers. And you can chop these up however you like. I like mine not too small. Next, my tomatoes. So we'll let those cook for, let's say, maybe 2 minutes. It's been about a minute. I said 2, but it's been 1. Now I'm adding the potatoes. I actually cut them up, ran them through some water to get rid of the starch. And now I just mix them in with everything that I have here. It's so pretty. And it smells really good. These I'll, again, for another 2 minutes. Then I'll come back and I will add the rice to this. This is what it looks like. I have onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, and now I'm going to add the rice to this. And it's rice that I already washed. I haven't mixed it all yet. This is a good time to add salt. My rule, and this is just me, and your taste buds are different, but I do 1 teaspoon salt for 1 cup of rice. Actually, you know what I forgot and I realized is that when I'm adding vegetables to my rice, I always add a little more salt because I didn't season the vegetables, and I usually do. I season in layers. It smells really good. Alright, so next, hot water. And I always do hot water. Make sure that this is on low, because if it's on high, it's going to get everywhere and you don't want that. So your fire should always be on low. This is 1 cup of water, hot water. Let's mix it in. I think that this is enough. Then I cover it and we'll cook it for 20 minutes on medium low. 20 minutes. We'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. 18 minutes, I said 20 minutes, but I think it's too high, so I'm gonna put it lower. It's good if it cooks on low heat, I think. So we'll put it to, we'll cook it like that. So let's see, it's 5 minutes, 40 something seconds left. I'm gonna put it a little higher right now. Not too much, but just a little bit. This is what it looks like. Yum. Less than a minute left. Let's take a look. You guys ready? I'm ready. See, it's steaming. All the water is gone. You can hear how it's sizzling. It's been a few minutes and you can see that it's cooked. Potatoes are cooked, everything is cooked, and it is not mushy. It's delicious rice.